Hello everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Friday, February the 3rd, and tonight we are breaking Hit Parade autographed football jerseys. This is a two-box break. It's box 55 from Series 2 and box 49 from Series 3, and we did random team sales. You can see on the far left. We've already randomized the teams and the users. We then alphabetized them so they could see who they hit a little easier. Gave them some time to trade. Got everything all entered. Here we go. All right, did we just get a confirmation or what? All right, here we go, guys. I don't know. Did we? Is Tennessee for Carolina confirmed? Does the other half of that trade want to give me a confirmed? Okay. Hello? Can you guys? Okay, there you go. All right. Here we go. Thank you. Pop. Holy cow. Holy cow, guys. Holy cow, Mr. Raw Dog. Holy cow. Can y'all see who that is, folks? Can y'all see who that is? Boom, boom, boom is right, folks. That is a Roger Staubach holiday. Holy cow, folks. Wow, wow, wow. That is a major boom-rah. Do not get rid of that before you talk. Boom, 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 fellas. That is a major boom for tonight. Very nice hit for box 1. All right, folks, here we go. Box 49. This is Series 3. That's a really, really nice jersey, guys. A really nice jersey, man. It was not a cheap cut. Yeah, it was a custom, but it was not like a cheapie pop. That was a really, really nice jersey, guys. Well, sort of looked like another one, but that is a nice young receiver, Mr. Staubach Austin, folks. Mr. Staubach Austin for the LA Rams. That's going to be a hit for Lone Star. That's going to be a Lone Star hit. Very nice two-boxer in my opinion, man. A young up-and-comer and a all-time great quarterback in Roger Staubach, folks. Yeah, I know, Drew. I know. I thought it was Dallas or Detroit. But there we go, folks. A nice two-boxer in my opinion. Join us at breakers.tv at Boom City Breaks. You'll find me or Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia 7 days a week starting about 8 p.m. Central. We sure would appreciate a click on that follow button and have a great day.